Karnataka Education Minister Ashwath Narayan CN has recently announced that the universities of the states are required to address the problems faced by the final year students regarding the conduction of end-term examinations amid the COVID-19 pandemic. He said that the exams for final year students will be held this year as announced, and that the respective universities will be addressing all the queries that the students have related to the conduction of final year exams. If there are any concerns about the final year for the undergraduate students, I would advise the respective universities to remedy the problem and inform the students, the Education Minister said on Twitter. The university exams will be conducted in the state in accordance with the University Grants Commission's guidelines released last month, which states that final year exams are supposed to be held by the end of the September 2020. Although backlog exams to be held in Karnataka universities, the Education Minister of the state had previously announced that exams will be held for those students who could not clear them in past semesters and have backlogs in final semester. In his tweet, he said, "For the future and professionalism of the students, backlog test will be held for the final year graduate students." The final year university students who have backlog need to compulsorily evaluate it on the basis of online or offline mode of examinations to be conducted this year, according to the UGC guidelines released on 6th of July. The Karnataka CET exams were held this year despite several protests by the students and teachers of the states. Out of all the candidates who appeared for the examinations, 60 students were found to be COVID positive. So what are your opinion in this matter? Please share with us in comment section below. And for more news and updates, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.